Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best WatchBand bracelet on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. Lerxiuer WatchBand Bracelet. Lerxiuer WatchBand Bracelet watchband is made of premium silicone. It is lightweight and durable, making it almost invisible on your wrist. The Apple Watch strap can be easily attached to your Apple Watch and is comfortable to wear. It has high quality and very soft silicone material, so it is sweat-proof and waterproof. Lerxiuer WatchBand Bracelet watchband has been designed to be securely fitted at all times, even when you are sleeping. While the band is firmly connected to the watch, you can still dock the band with magnetic charger or use it as a watch stand. It is so soft, comfortable, and absolutely secure. This is a top-quality stainless steel bracelet wristband strap with a solid and heavy feel, durable and comfortable for daily use. Made of stainless steel, the band is sturdy and durable for heavy daily wearing. The color of the band is black and the length is about 7.5. Perfect for men's and women's who love sport and outdoor working, and also for party, gift. You can wear it to show your taste and good style. Fits perfectly with the Apple Watch and Apple Watch Sport. Number 4. YuiYuKari WatchBand Bracelet. The YuiYuKari WatchBand Bracelet is the best gift for your family and friends who love outdoor sports. This bracelet has solid style and fashionable pattern that makes you more attractive and charming. Made of high-quality material, it is durable and sturdy in use. It can be worn as a watch band or a bracelet. The best accessories for your favorite smart bracelet. Pulsera Sport with high quality and reasonable prices. We focus on all kinds of Xiaomi Mi Band accessories. The accessories you need are available here, such as leather band and stainless steel bracelet for Mi Band 2 and other design for Mi Band 3. We have the best silicone and TPU replacement bands for you. And you can also find the wristbands for Xiaomi Mi Band 3 with good service and big discount. YuiYuKari WatchBand Bracelet is made of high quality and durable materials. It is easy to clean, lightweight, comfortable, and safe for human skin. YuiYuKari WatchBand Bracelet is specially designed for the Xiaomi Mi Band 6. It provides a comfortable wearing experience. It doesn't hurt even you wear it for a long time. It is easy to install and remove. Number 3. KMAIXA WatchBand Bracelet. KMAIXA WatchBand Bracelet is the original and authentic watchband. It is a part of the world's largest collection of Apple Watch band accessories, dedicated to providing the best user experience with all Apple Watch and band models. KMAIXA WatchBand Bracelet is the perfect replacement band for your 42mm Apple Watch. The KMAIXA WatchBand Bracelet is made of a durable woven nylon material. The Apple Watch strap is crafted with double-stitched seams and a sturdy buckle to provide you with long-lasting comfort and style. Whether you are at the gym, in the office, or headed out on a Friday night, this band can be worn with your daily outfits. This way, you will not have to enter any credit card or banking information on our site at all. Or if you prefer, you can still check out directly on PayPal instead. Number 2. Apband WatchBand Bracelet. This Apband WatchBand Bracelet is a high-quality product made from brushed steel by a manufacturer that sells to the big brands in the watch industry. It is well made and a best replacement for your Apple Watch band. It can fit for Apple Watch Series 3/1. Purchase this item and enjoy the comfort of the handmade band on your wrist. The product is new and in high quality. The band can hold your watch closed with the magnetic closure, and the leather material is strong and durable. It is also easy to remove so that you can change band styles whenever you want. Durable, the leather strap material is strong and durable, and it is made to hold up under everyday wear and tear. The included stainless steel clasp provides extra security and is a more durable and stylish closure than your watch's magnetic strip. Number 1. CRESTED WatchBand Bracelet. CRESTED WatchBand Bracelet is a flexible silicone replacement strap that is designed to make your Apple Watch look great and feel comfortable. The soft touch of silicone make it easy to wear, providing lasting comfort and an amazing experience. CRESTED WatchBand Bracelet is a simple design that perfectly matches the original Apple Watch design. It has 2 parts, which can be placed on each other, making the iWatch a perfect fit. It is easy to remove or change the look of your Apple Watch by taking the strap off. CRESTED bracelet watch band is made from silicone material, lightweight, stylish and comfortable. This Apple Watch band easily fits your Apple Watch and your day-to-day life. Keep your Apple Watch safe, protected and scratch-free. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.